Hey guys, it's Skye here. Welcome back to my channel. So today is our intrams week. I'm with Anne and Sap and more. Pero wow siya. Wait, no, si Mark. So today is our second day of intrams and now we're going to watch volleyball. Yeah. Ay, mag-campus tour man ta. Yeah, we're gonna have campus tour today. So, money ang first. Oh my god, I know ako na yun. Ingat ka! Oh my god, nagkikito! By the way, this is our school. So, mga na siya guys ang... public museum. Dito tayo ngayon sa mga offices. Diyan kami nagpa-ID. Pa-picture ng ID. They gave us booklet. Actually, ang start section na yan ang booklet. Then this is the cover page and the content inside this booklet is the schedule of what's gonna be happening this week and stuff like that. Here are the different schools. Yes! School of Arts and Sciences. Yeah. Safad School of Arts and Arts and Fine Arts. Design. School of Arts and Design. Hindi mo na. School of Fine Arts Design. School of... Kibaw ka. Comment down below. We don't know the meaning. Dapat. Sections week will last for 7 days. We last next Friday? Yeah. This Edison, siyang nag-tutor na mo pa accounting. Thank you very much. We appreciate.
Salamat po guys sa libre sa pagkain.
Uy, over! Malit na bagay!
Favorite song. I don't know what it is that you love when you do it.
Take two. Wait lang. Ulit guys, ulit. I don't know what it is that you do when you do it. Ayaw na! Mamarian Rivera today!
Story of my life, searching for a ride.
So weak my knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control. Something so rummy in a daze, and it's so amazing. It's not a phase. I want you to stay with me. By my side, I swallow my pride. Love is so sweet, and right off my feet. Can't explain why your love it makes me weak.
You're so generous. Bye, Edison. Bye.
Bye, Ma.
So this is our classroom. Classroom. So, now my question. Improve ko na siya. So far, musta ang intro?
So far, nalipay ko kay pinakagwapa sa intro. That's good.
Over. This is Marie Chris, my very sexy friend, Kim Kardashian's friend. Hello, guys, this is my dream. Bye there. We're heading to the gym because we're gonna watch basketball. This is the closed gym. This is where our classrooms are located. Senior high school classrooms. Let's go. Finally, nakita na dito today. Really? When? Oh, I think I did it there. Let's go there. I'm vlogging. Don't congratulate me.
You were able to perform well despite used to being thick-faced.
Yeah, I'm not used to being thick-faced.
Video.
netizens, the viewers. Can you please, Dinoodin na kami vlog! Huwag galing ko behave. Kanang one song daw. Naka-request nila balik. Dali na, te. So we ain't ever. Oh, masikat.
This my shit. All the girls that
Oh, binuang ebe. Ganun, Kathleen. Kaman dami. Wala ko diya.
I don't know how to dance mine, but you know, hey, that's not. I could have been on it, but
Wala ba?
she's making fun of me. Kirot. Lord, more. I hope I made you happy. Happy.
Cucumber, iced tea, and
Milk tea.
mahal. Init eh.
Init eh.
Ano sa'yo lamin niya doon?
Salty na.
Goldfish.
High five.
Hi, Skye.
So, wala yung bata po. You send the meme ba?
Hala, I believe dali kaya siya nakarot na. Today is October 26, Friday, 1:50 p.m. So right now we are here inside the fudge. I'm with Sam and Dawn. So yeah, nagkaon may agkoan like pizuka and then frap and what you call that? Three-coloring. Wow, hilason three-coloring. So today is our last day of intrams and susubukan namin makapasok later pero we need tickets para makapasok sa gym kasi limited lang yung mga taong pwedeng pumasok doon. Yun lang yung may ticket. So yeah, we don't have ticket pero hopefully maka-sneak in kami. Then yeah.
Okay, 5,000 people.
5,000 subscribers. Oo, kasi ganda eh.
5,000 subscribers.
Future, 10 years from now.
Future newspaper reader.
Okay, opening na. Happy Halloween, everyone. So pag-zoom. Literally props. Wait lang.
Yeah, bayan na ako.
Naka-mustache. Girl. Te, ang tagal nyo, te. Hello! Hi, new friends. Hi. This is Al, then this is Clint. So, taas kay Clint niya, guys. So, if naitikit na, muli niya pa or dili na? Dili ang yapon. If naitikit na, senior high next school year, umanda kayo. Okay. Say advice yung mahatag for senior high. Ako lang sa mga mag-grade. The potential you have right now, wala rin na inikabot mo college. Yun naman. Holiday ka? Wala. Oh my God. Advance siya mag-isip. Advance ako mag-isip. Hello. Hi guys! Joke! So, first time na mo magawa siyang vlog. First time din yung Uber. First time. Itong magic lift dahil. Hoy, wag mo yung pilato. Oo, first time na magawa. Yan. Ako siya ako. This is Jamie. Andy Eigenman. Hi, John Kit. Hi. Hi, friends. And family.
for the overly passionate. I like you and I loved him. We could all be the best kind of friends.